Hi, I'm Samantha. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved in yesterday.
So, Alex, what do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy reading and playing soccer. How about you?
I love painting and listening to music.
Hey, Samantha. There's a soccer match this weekend. Would you like to come?
Sure, that sounds fun. I've never been to a soccer match before. Thanks for inviting me, Alex. This soccer match is exciting.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Soccer is a great way to make friends. Samantha, could you help me with my English homework?
Of course. I'd be happy to help. What do you need assistance with? Prepositions can be tricky, but let me explain them to you.
Thanks, Samantha. You're really patient and a great teacher. Samantha, I want to thank you for helping me improve my English.
No problem, Alex. Friends help each other grow. Alex, I got you a book on soccer techniques. Thought you might like it.
Wow, thank you so much, Samantha. You're an amazing friend. Samantha, my family's moving again. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too, Alex. But we'll always be friends, no matter the distance. It's been a year, and I still remember Alex.
Look who's here. It's Alex.
Alex, are you back?
Yeah, my family moved back to town. Missed you, Samantha.
Let's celebrate your return. How about a soccer match?
Sounds perfect. And this time, I'll teach you some soccer moves.
And so, Samantha and Alex's friendship continued to grow. They learned from each other and shared countless memories, proving that true friendship knows no distance. That's it till now. See you next time. Thank you.